Good morning, but is it a good morning? This is the best spot I could find to camp last night, right next to the giant snake sanctuary. Oh goodness. I'm heading back up the highway. It's a bit early, but I'm still keeping an eye out for snakes. This is very snaky sort of grass and territory. I've tried to keep the channel really positive and joyous. I figured no one wants to see a dude who doesn't have to work. Well, I have to work, but I'm choosing not to. I don't want to see a dude not working, complaining about how hard he's got it, where everyone else is just going through the grind. So I intentionally kept videos light. As they say, don't trust the news. Noam Chomsky, the media controls the narrative. I was controlling the narrative of the walk to keep it positive. But like all facets of life, there was a lot of negative facets. I like that word at the moment, facets, to it. There was enough positive to keep me going, but 3 super close calls said, yep, I'm done. I have a friend who wants to take me to part of Africa, I won't name the country, that's recovering from some serious political military issues, and I turned him down saying, oh, it's too dangerous, even though it would be an awesome adventure. Thank you. Gave me plenty of space. Even though it would be an awesome adventure, because I was like, no, it's too dangerous. And then I thought about it, I'm giving up on that, and then I'm dealing with shoo, shoo. That's not even enjoyable. Well, it's enjoyable, but that part's not enjoyable. So I thought, we all have it. We all get blindsided and have wrong opinions of danger. I know I've had to reframe my mind a few times about what I thought was and wasn't dangerous. All right, love yous again.